Welcome, fellow navigators, to the intricate tapestry of existence, where each of us finds ourselves at the intersection of survival mode and the journey towards financial freedom. Picture life as an exhilarating adventure, with twists, turns, and unexpected challenges along the way. In this exploration, we embark on a thrilling quest to unravel the distinct landscapes of survival mode and financial freedom, understanding how they shape our destinies. Survival mode, akin to a challenging mountain ascent, often confronts us during economic storms or personal tempests. It's a phase where we don our metaphorical climbing gear, facing the immediate cliffs of financial struggles. The journey might demand working multiple jobs, navigating treacherous financial terrain, and weathering the unpredictable storms of life. But fear not, for many have traversed these rugged paths, and their stories illuminate the way. On the flip side, envision the pursuit of financial freedom as a captivating expedition to uncharted territories. It's a journey where we cast off the chains of financial constraints, charting our course towards open seas of opportunity. Here, strategic planning, disciplined savings, and the knowledge of well-informed investment strategies become our compass, guiding us toward the promise of financial independence. As we delve into these contrasting landscapes, we uncover the untold stories of resilience, where individuals transform the struggle of survival mode into the triumphant march towards financial independence. But this is not just an exploration of financial dynamics, it's a psychological adventure too. We'll navigate the peaks and valleys of stress and serenity, understanding the profound impact on our mental well-being. Join our community of seekers and explorers as we unravel the mysteries of financial landscapes together. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode of wisdom and insights on navigating life's complex terrains. Survival mode, struggling amidst challenges. In a state of extreme financial hardship known as survival mode, people are forced to fight constantly to meet their most basic requirements. Many people experience this hard reality amid personal or economic crisis, which forces them to put their short-term survival ahead of their long-term goals. This desperate stage necessitates unflinching adaptation, tenacity, and a laser-like focus on obtaining the necessities, often at the price of future ambitions and personal preferences. In a sea of uncertainty, the experience of survival mode is defined by an unwavering quest of financial stability. It often entails working multiple jobs. Individuals in survival mode frequently juggle multiple employment opportunities to scrape together enough income to cover basic living expenses. This relentless pursuit of earnings leaves little time for leisure or personal pursuits. Austere financial decisions, survival mode dictates a stringent approach to spending. Every decision is scrutinized through the lens of necessity, with luxuries and non-essentials often sacrificed to ensure financial viability. Navigating uncertainties, the constant threat of financial instability casts a pall over individuals in survival mode. They grapple with the uncertainty of job security, unpredictability of expenses, and the ever-present fear of falling into debt. The pervasiveness of survival mode has been shown by a recent global study, which highlights its ubiquitous character across many communities. Approximately 40% of Americans report living paycheck to paycheck and finding it difficult to make ends meet even with full-time jobs, according to a Pew Research Center research. This concerning figure highlights how common financial insecurity is in a prosperous country. In a similar vein, an international labor organization, ILO, assessment found that over 2 billion people work in the unorganized sector globally, which is frequently typified by low pay, unstable work conditions, and restricted access to social safety nets. These people are especially prone to going into survival mode, especially in times of personal or economic hardship. The effects of survival mode are visible in people's daily lives all across the world. Think about the elderly couple who must painfully choose between food and medicine, the single parent who works many low-paying jobs to support their children, or the young professional who is burdened with massive student debt and feels that homeownership is out of reach. These real-life examples underscore the profound impact of survival mode on individuals' lives. It is not merely a financial predicament, it is a state of mind that shapes one's daily experiences, aspirations, and life trajectory. Financial freedom, a journey towards independence. In the modern world, where having enough money is essential to living a contented existence, the idea of financial freedom has become increasingly popular. In contrast to the limitations of survival mode, where people are always preoccupied with taking care of their immediate needs, financial independence presents the freeing possibility of living without financial constraints. Having enough money to support your basic needs and follow your dreams without having to work for it is the definition of financial independence. It's about not letting financial commitments control your decisions and being free to make decisions based on your own values and goals. Being proactive with your money management is essential to achieving financial freedom and is typified by strategic planning, developing a clear financial plan that outlines your short-term and long-term goals along with the steps you'll take to achieve them. Disciplined savings, regularly setting aside a portion of your income to save for future expenses, emergencies, and investments. Well-informed investment decisions, educating yourself about various investment options and making informed choices to grow your wealth over time. People's increasing desire to escape the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck and take charge of their financial future is what drives the pursuit of financial independence. Several causes are responsible for this mentality shift, including the rising cost of living, the increasing expenses associated with housing, healthcare, education, and other essential needs make it challenging to save and invest for the future. The desire for greater control. Individuals yearn for the freedom to make choices about their work, lifestyle, and retirement without being constrained by financial limitations. The increasing accessibility of financial knowledge. The proliferation of financial literacy resources and investment education platforms has empowered individuals to take charge of their financial well-being, navigating both worlds. The journey toward financial freedom often commences in survival mode. Real-life narratives spotlight stories of resilience, showcasing individuals who transition from the daily struggle to financial independence. Examining these paths unveils common strategies and pivotal moments that propelled them toward enduring financial security. The psychological impact. Survival mode's landscape, characterized by financial stress and uncertainty, casts a shadow on mental health. Studies underscore a correlation between financial instability and heightened stress levels. Conversely, achieving financial freedom often correlates with a profound sense of security and peace of mind. Understanding the psychological dimensions of both survival mode and financial freedom empowers individuals to make informed decisions for overall well-being. Shifting dynamics and changing world. In the epoch of rapid technological advancement and global economic shifts, recent trends have emerged as beacons illuminating new pathways towards financial stability. The gig economy, a seismic shift in employment structures, has transformed how individuals approach work. It offers a dynamic landscape where freelancers, digital nomads, and side hustlers leverage their skills on platforms, contributing to a more flexible and decentralized employment model. Remote work, once a niche concept, has become a norm, reshaping the traditional notion of the workplace. The ability to work from anywhere has not only blurred geographical boundaries, but also impacted how individuals manage their finances. With the freedom to choose their living locations, people are exploring cost-effective alternatives, impacting housing markets and local economies. Cryptocurrencies, once viewed with skepticism, are now gaining mainstream acceptance. The rise of Bitcoin and other digital assets has not only created new investment opportunities, but has also sparked conversations about the future of currency itself. Governments and businesses are increasingly exploring the integration of blockchain technology, adding a new layer of complexity to the financial landscape. Environmental, social, and governance (ESG) investing is witnessing a surge in popularity, reflecting a growing awareness of the impact of financial decisions on a broader scale. Investors are not only seeking financial returns, but are also aligning their portfolios with companies that prioritize sustainability, ethical practices, and social responsibility. This trend signifies a paradigm shift where profitability is intertwined with a commitment to positive societal and environmental outcomes. And there you have it, fellow explorers. We've navigated the intricate landscapes of survival mode and the exhilarating journey towards financial freedom. If this deep dive into the realms of financial dynamics, resilience, and the psychology of wealth has sparked something within you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share your thoughts down below. Your insights are invaluable to our community of seekers and explorers. Remember, life is an adventure with peaks, valleys, and unexpected turns. Whether you find yourself in the challenging ascent of survival mode or charting the uncharted territories of financial freedom, you're not alone. Real stories of triumph over financial struggles illuminate the path, showing that the journey from survival to independence is not only possible, but transformative.